Assalamualaikum all and welcome to the Broadway School YouTube channel. You will learn about the primary mathematics of grade 3 and today's topic is adding or subtracting time. For the further videos you have to subscribe our YouTube channel, the Broadway School.
I hope you got the previous lecture, that was the conversion of hours and minutes. You have no issue in that lesson. Okay, let's come to the next topic, and the topic is addition and subtraction of time in hours and minutes, and it's on your textbook page number 218. Okay, first of all I have to explain you that how can you add the hours and minutes. Let's suppose I have 2 hours and 30 minutes and 1 hour 40 minutes. Okay, if this value was in the digits, you will add like this: 0 plus 0, 0, 3 plus 4, 7, 2 plus 1, 3. It is easy. But in time, you have to focus on your minutes and hours. You have to focus on the limits of hours and minutes. Okay, 0 plus 0 is 0. 3 plus 4 is 7. 2 plus 1 is 3. Okay, if you add 2 hours and 30 minutes into 1 hour and 40 minutes, the answer is 3 hours and 70 minutes. But there is no any hour that contains more than 60 minutes. This is the 70 minutes. That means you have to convert this minute into hours and minutes. Do you remember the table of 60? 60, 120. Okay, 60. 60 is the nearest to 70. You will split this into 60 plus 10. And can you write 60 minutes as 1 hour? Because 60 in the first position of table of 60, 1 hour and 10 minutes. Okay, this 1 hour and this 3 hours. So 3 hours and 1 hour. You have to add both of these numbers because they have the same units. 3 and 1 will become 4. Now what about these 10 minutes? The final answer is 4 hours and this 10 minutes. That means if you add 2 hours and 30 minutes into 1 hour and 40 minutes, the final answer is 4 hours and 10 minutes. Got it? Again I am explaining it. 2 hours and 30 minutes and 1 hour and 40 minutes. You will add 30 and 40, it will become 70. 2 and 1, it will become 3. Okay, now you know about that there is no hour that contains more than 60 minutes. You have to split this number, this 70, and you have remembered this table of 60 in the previous lesson. I wrote here 5 numbers, first 5 numbers of table of 60. Now you have to find out the nearest number of 70 and the nearest number and the smallest number, that is than 70. 60 is the nearest and smallest number than 70. You have to split the 70 into 60. Okay, you have written this 60. Now from 70 there is 10 left. 60 minutes can consider as 1 hour and 10 minutes will come as it is, 1 hour and 10 minutes. Now in this question we have the hours, that is 3. Now we have to add this hour and this hour. 3 hour and 1 hour. 3 hour and 1 hour. It became 4 hours. Now what about this 10? It is left. You have to write this 10 minutes as it is. Now the final answer is, if you add 2 hours and 30 minutes into 1 hour and 40 minutes, that is equals to 4 hours and 10 minutes. Okay students, the next example for addition is, that is very simple example, hours and minutes. 3 hours and 10 minutes, 4 hours and 15 minutes. 0 plus 5, 5, 1 plus 1, 2, and 3 plus 4, 7. That is very simple example. If we add 3 hours and 10 minutes into 4 hours and 15 minutes, the answer is 7 hours and 25 minutes. Okay, on your textbook page number 211, your question number 1 is, look at how much time Daisy and Turtle spent doing each activity and answer the questions. Daisy spends 3 hours and 35 minutes प्लेइंग फुटबॉल, यानी कि वो फुटबॉल खेलने में 3 घंटे और 35 मिनट लगाता है. Daisy spent 1 hour and 10 minutes cleaning his room. Daisy अपने रूम की सफाई के लिए 1 घंटा और 10 मिनट स्पेंड करता है. Daisy spent 1 hour and 20 minutes at his piano lesson. Daisy अपने पियानो लेसन में 1 घंटा और 20 मिनट स्पेंड करता है. एंड Daisy spent 2 hours and 45 minutes in the library. और Daisy लाइब्रेरी में 2 घंटे और 45 मिनट स्पेंड करता है. Now they have asked them questions. You have to give the answers of each one. What was the total time Daisy spent cleaning his room and at his piano lesson? What was the total time? Total time, it means you have to add these two amounts, the time that he spent in cleaning his room and he spent on his piano lesson. You have to add both of these amounts. Cleaning his room, the time he has spent in cleaning room is 1 hour and 10 minutes. And the second one is at his piano lesson, and he spent 1 hour and 20 minutes at his piano lesson. You have to write your statements first. Part A, that Daisy spent cleaning his room. That is 1 hour and 10 minutes it is given. And he spent at his piano lesson, that is 1 hour and 20 minutes. Now they have asked what was the total time. That means you have to add both of these amounts, hour, minutes. The first amount is 1 hour and 10 minutes. You will write your hour in below this hour, minute, and minutes below this minute. And the next is 1 hour and 20 minutes. Add both of these. 0 plus 0, 0, 1 plus 2, 3, 2 plus 1 plus 1, 2. But Daisy spent 2 hours and 30 minutes altogether. Now the next is, how much longer did Daisy spend in the library than at his piano lesson? How much longer? That means they have asked to compare the values. Whenever you have to do comparison, you have to do subtraction in your question. How much long, how much longer, how much long than, how longer than. These are the words that are showing the comparison. And while they have asked about the comparison, you have to do the subtraction. Okay, now they have asked the comparison of spent in the library and at his piano lesson. So part B, you will solve like this. You have to write the time. First, Daisy spent in library. Daisy spent in library, that is 2 hours and 45 minutes. 2 hours and 45 minutes. And he spent at his piano lesson. The second activity is piano lesson, and the time for the piano lesson is 1 hour and 20 minutes. You will write your statement like this: 1 hour and 20 minutes. Now you have to subtract both of these amounts. 2 hours and 45 minutes, 1 hour and 20 minutes. Subtract this. 5 minus 0 is 5. 4 minus 2 is 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 hour and 25 minutes. That means Daisy spent 1 hour 25 minutes longer. Longer than at his piano lesson. Okay. So this was the simple subtraction, but if the question is like this, hours and minutes, and they have given the lesser hour first, 5 hours and 35 minutes, 2 hours and 45 minutes. Now, how can you subtract 45 from 35? It's impossible. That's why you have to take one carry from this hour. Now, you are taking carry from hour to minute. If you take one carry, that means you are taking 60 minutes. अगर आप 1 घंटे में से एक कैरी लेते हो इन मिनट्स के ऊपर, तो इसका मतलब है कि आप 60 मिनट कैरी ले रहे हो. If you take one hour from this hour to this minutes, it means you are taking 60 minutes, because 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes ना, because 1 घंटे में 60 मिनट्स होते हैं, तो जब हम घंटे से मिनट्स में कन्वर्ट करेंगे तो वो 60 मिनट्स बन जाएंगे. Now this is 60 and this 60 is considered as a whole number. You cannot solve this like 5 minus 5 is 0 and 3 plus 60 is 63. No, that will be wrong. Okay, now 60 and 35. You have to add this 60 and 35 like this. 0 plus 5 is 5. 6 plus 3 is 9. Now 60 and 35. You have to add both of these amounts and these became 95. Now you have to subtract 45 from this 95. Write this value over there. Now 5 minus 5 is 0. 9 minus 4 is 5. The answer is 50. That means if you are taking carry from this hour to these minutes, you have to take 60 minutes. Okay, now you will add 16 to 35 and it will become 95. 95 minus 45 is 50. 95 minus 45 is 50. Write your final answer over here. 50. Now you have taken 1 hour and what are the remaining hours? That is 4. Now you will subtract 4 and 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. That means if you subtract 5 hours and 35 minutes with 2 hours and 45 minutes, the final answer is 2 hour and 50 minutes. इसका मतलब है अगर आप 5 घंटे 35 मिनट्स में से 2 घंटे 45 मिनट सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हो तो आपका फाइनल आंसर है 2 घंटे 50 मिनट. Is that clear? Okay, now I am giving the assignment to you. The assignment is your textbook page number 218, question number 1, part C and D, and your workbook 3B, page number 95, 96 and 97. It's your assignment of today's lesson. I hope you got it very well, and please complete your assignment at the on time, and stay home, stay safe, keep learning. Bye bye, take care, Allah Hafiz.